What's going on YouTube? In this short tutorial, I just want to show you how you can add an arrow to the end of your trend line in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a line chart with a trend line, and we can add an arrow to the end of it to better clearly illustrate kind of the direction the trend line is headed in. So to do this, we want to right click on our trend line, then click Format Trend Line. After this, we want to go to the left where we see this little bucket, Fill in Line, click on that. And here we can scroll down and we will see an option for begin arrow size and end arrow size. The one that we're probably going to want is the end arrow size, which is the one that's going to be on the right. So to click on that, click end arrow type, click on the arrow right there, and as you can see, we have an arrow at the end of it. And you can click different arrows that you want. So we have that arrow, this little triangle thing. We can also, and then you can also adjust the size of the arrow too. So for example, we can have the end arrow type just be this icon right here, and we can have it be something that's a little bit larger, like that right there. So hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.